Most jurisdictions classify a company incorporated in their jurisdiction as a resident. This essentially means that if a company is formed in a country in accordance with its local laws, usually that company will be considered resident by that country. However, many countries also apply an additional rule, so that even if a company is not formed under the laws of that country, it can still be considered a tax resident of that country if it is internally managed or controlled. The wording of this rule varies greatly from country to country. In many countries, it is verified the presence or absence of a real and effective management office. In others, it is verified whether the central management and control are located in that country, or in others, simply where its management is located. Each country has its own guidelines, also the result of the influences of judicial jurisprudence, in order to establish when the actual management is in that country. But simplifying as much as possible, the common points that stand out concern the places where the company's high-level decisions are made and where the directors' meetings take place. If you need specific advice, also to find the best place to relocate in consideration of your specific needs, you can contact us at the addresses you find in the description, and we will put you in touch with an international tax lawyer highly specialized in assisting clients in your position.